Namaste. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how Surya Namaskar is performed. So be with me. I'll help you with 12 asanas of Surya Namaskar. We will start the first asana by standing at the starting of the mat. Let's start with the first asana, that is Pranamasana. The second asana is HASTA UTTANASANA. The third asana is HASTA PADASANA. Moving to the fourth asana, that is ASHWA SANCHALANASANA. The fifth asana is called DANDASANA. Now move to Asana and then Ashtanga Namaskar. Now come to Bhujangasana. Now move to ADHO MUKHO SWANASANA. Now come back again to ASHWA SANCHALANASANA. Again come back to Hastapadasana. Now come back again to Hasta Uttanasana and then Pranamasana.
Suryanarayanaya namaha akaramrityuharanam sarvavyadhivinashanam suryapadodakam tirtham jatare dharayamyah Shri Savitru Suryanarayanaya namaha akaramrityuharanam sarvavyadhivinashanam suryapadodakam tirtham jatare.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe for more such videos.